You go use your mouth tell umunna say na so you like am. You no go do am. You no go do am.
Usually, as we do it that year in Nigeria, we go like this, cut off the head.
Yes,
and
chief
then,
chef.
Honestly, I know how to cook. Oh.
Yes.
I know how to cook.
Yes.
Just that, you know.
Just that you don't like doing it. You prefer your wife.
I don't like doing it because. Do you know that if you make food and keep in the fridge, I mean in the fridge or freezer, and you want me to go and just warm it, I don't even like to do it.
I know. You don't need to explain. I know.
I like my wife just, make the food, pass it to me, and then I will enjoy my food. You see, being a husband is something that you enjoy. My wife making the food, keeping for me, gives me this, this feeling.
Head of house.
Not the head of house issue.
Head of house feeling.
No. It gives me this feeling that,
Talk
yeah, I'm a married man. You know?
It gives you the feeling that you are head of house.
When I was a bachelor, I used to make food now. Yeah. No, it's true. I used to make food. But being married now, I think that I should let some things be.
Or you don't let some things be.
I'll focus on making the money.
Don't let some things be.
Listen, I prefer focusing on making the money.
You can still make the money and still help out.
Should I pay?
Put it like put it.
And then let my wife do the cooking.
No, it's not like that anymore. You have to help out because leaving all those things for only the wife. And it's too much. You don't know.
Let me ask you.
Imagine taking care of everyone in the house. Who that takes care of the wife?
Let me ask you. What if, all right, you just go ahead with the cooking and then I'll focus on the money making, all right? Every now and then I take you out for shopping, buy you, wonderful brands, all right? Don't you think it's nice?
No, honey, it's nice, but I should not, focus on doing the chores only.
No.
For you to do
I'm not. No. See, no. It's not a requirement. All right. It's not something that I require you to do. All right. And then I'm not talking about chores. I'm talking about cooking. Because I don't like cooking and I start eating. I'll get tired of it. Yeah.
So you see,
I prefer you make the food,
and then
pass
you balance
it,
and eat.
I'll just relax.
So do you ever think, okay, how about this woman that makes this food? Does she still have appetite after making it?
Anyway,
husbands should actually learn how to help the wives.
Just like I'm doing now.
Just like you're doing now.
No,
this one
I
is
don't,
like once in a purple moon.
No. I don't have a problem doing all this. Okay, but I'm just telling you what I prefer in terms of cooking. I just prefer even to make ordinary tea.
See, I know.
I'll prefer just honey.
I know.
Honey, please make me tea.
Prefer to stay hungry
Make me tea.
than to just go and make something to eat. You prefer staying hungry.
I don't
until
like.
I sleep and wake up.
I don't know why.
Start complaining. Honey, I'm so hungry. I don't know. I'm not eating. No.
I just don't like it.
You have to start liking it.
I have to learn.
Seriously, you have to learn.
I have to learn.
Because that will be also helping the wife out.
Yeah.
That will be helping the wife out.
Or if I say, okay, honey, don't cook anymore.
Imagine
Listen now.
What
if I say
a mother with
you're not paying
a
attention.
toddler or a baby that does not have the time to sleep at
Honey,
night.
what if I say, don't cook anymore? Okay.
Yes.
Let's just be ordering food.
No.
All the people that are making the food, you order, I pay them.
You mean in this era now that they are making poison?
So, you see what I'm saying?
No, I don't want ordered food. What I want is making food together.
Dispose of this one.
Yes, just like
as you see, they are not making me. They are making me cook. If I house boy.
So they are forcing you to
a whole meal.
This one now is forcing because there is a knife on his neck.
If it was not abroad, if it was in Nigeria, when you will see me in my mansion,
Yes.
Seated on my throne, will you be asking me to come and be making
Even
plantain?
people will be mansion owners too, they see they cook.
No, so I'm
They
telling you.
see they cook for their family. It's not about mansion or car or
How are
anything.
you fighting
It's not about
me?
being rich.
You are fighting me.
Even the wages people say they still like cooking for their family. There's this serene that comes with cooking for your family. You know, it brings everyone together, bonds everyone.
But we are Nigerians.
And
as Nigerians, we were not.
Nigerian men like to hold on to I'm Nigerian. I'm a Nigerian man, so I'm supposed to be served. No. But it does not matter.
No, see, I am not saying it's wrong for me to cook. All right? I'm not saying it's wrong for me to cook. I'm just saying I'm a Nigerian. All right? And as a Nigerian man, growing up, my mom is the one that cooks. You know, my dad is the one that goes out to get the money. You know, so coming out to abroad now, I discovered that
Things have changed.
the game is not the way it used to be.
Yes, so times have changed.
You know, so
And we change with time. Times are changing.
Helping my wife is not an issue, but I still want you to know, you know, despite saying I dey here they cook, they fry plantain for you, so I'm a king go.
Only who be the dispute that way?
If you go Nigeria now, umunna go ask you why do they allow this man, this king, they cook.
You go use your mouth tell umunna say na so you like am. You no go do am. You no go do am.
Oh, they put oil here. Let's fry this thing. Let's fry this thing.
Tell umunna say na like this, then you like am. Say you dey like am well well.
It's better for Oyibo to be Oyibo, Nigerians to be Nigerians.
But cooking for your family or helping out does not make you
you know, I can take you guys out for eating out. Just go expensive restaurant. I don't care how much you will sit down and enjoy. You know,
what we want is not taking us.
You want me now, so I'll go sit down for kitchen. They run around, they cook.
What we want is not just taking us out; is helping out in the kitchen.
No wow.
Maybe we go that side.
No wow.
Is helping out in the kitchen. I have
On.
yes.
All right. No easy.
No get where it's easy. It's right, Abby. So pour
this
the oil.
Okay, I can use it.
No, it's a little bit. But put the oil.
Don't worry, I'll do it.
This is the oil.
It's all right.
Just
Are you sure it's enough?
yeah, it's just pour it.
Don't worry. I know. Okay, this is coconut oil, guys.
No, actually, this is vegetable oil. Because I noticed
I
that
thought
coconut oil, it foams.
you no longer use vegetable oil.
The coconut oil foams. I don't know why. It keeps foaming.
So, it's not ready yet.
No, it's not. It has to get hot. Hot. So let me help you and keep the plantain here for you.
We want to see if the oil is hot by putting in one to test.
I think it is.
Right, I think it's okay. All right, let's go there. Honey, this is how you.
Why are you jumping now?
No, I'm not jumping. See, I'm teaching you how to
You
fry
are a
plantain.
Nigerian man. You are a father.
Honey, I'm teaching you how to
You are
fry
a man.
plantain. Listen, you
Why are
will
you
put them
jumping?
gently, one after the other. All right.
I don't like when I'm frying plantain, the oil be foaming. No, I don't know why it happens like
Maybe it is because you have used the oil before. So it's not a freshly, or should I say, a brand new one.
Okay, leave it. Let's fry this one and see. After this one, I might change it.
You have to change it. See, it's moving
foaming.
on. Yeah. This is the vegetable oil, right? Cute. Come on, carry this guy. There is oil here. Please, don't let him come here.
Let me show you how to do it. But if I leave you now, you'll be wasting lots of time.
Honey, forget. I know how to fry plantain.
How many have you fried before?
Mommy think I know how to fry plantain.
Only don't let them expose
Hey,
you.
go. Don't come here. Alive? Don't come here, okay?
Don't let them expose you.
Expose
because they
me.
know.
Expose me.
They
over
know that
what?
you don't enter kitchen.
Story. Let's see what you are frying.
See now, I know they do nonsense. See, you see the face. The face show. The face show.
You know, sure.
The face show. I
This
know.
fine girl, she dey fry plantain. She dey fry plantain. Oh my God!
Don't even sabi sing am well.
Everybody will see this plantain go. No say this plantain was fried by a fine girl.
Honey, we need to sing our song o because this one wey Facebook dey do, if you use one music, they go give you
I don't my
copyright.
Facebook now. Only God go judge them.
Like this one wey you sing now, go just go one time, you know.
God go judge them.